As a new content creator or a new YouTuber, one of the best way to get your content or your video to more wider audience is to know how to edit your content or your video very well. A content or a video that is well properly edited will attract more view, more engagement, and more click to your YouTube video. So in this video, I'm going to show you the basic things that you need to learn on editing and start making use of it to edit your YouTube video fast and easy. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kevin. Here on this channel, we talk about how to help the young YouTuber to grow their YouTube channel. So if this is your first time of seeing my video, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave us a comment on the comment section. And lastly, do not forget to turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post, you will be notified. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into today's topic. So editing is one of the best things that can happen to any content creator or a YouTuber. As a new creator, one of the basic skills that you need to learn is editing. The reason is why you need to learn editing is because as a new content creator, you have not started making money with your content. So you have not started making money to be able to hire someone to help you on that. So you need to learn the basic editing so that you will be able to help yourself to edit your video all by yourself. So in this video, I will show you how you can easily edit your video all by yourself. Like me, no one taught me how to edit. I learned it through YouTube. You too, you can also do it by learning how to edit your video all by yourself. So all you need to do is to know the basic thing on editing and start applying it. With time, you will improve on your editing. So all you need to start editing your video is you need a internet enabled phone or a laptop if you have a laptop. So it depends on you. So you need a software app like we have CapCut, we have InShot, we have Power Director. So we have a lot of them. You can go to your Play Store or your Google or your Apple Store and search for an editing app that you can use for editing. Like me, I use Power Editing to edit all my video. This video you are seeing now is Power Director that I'm using to edit it. The reason why I'm using Power Director is because of the interface is so easy for me to learn. And for this tutorial sake, I'll be using Power Director to edit and teach you how you can edit your video in a proper way. So with this, you can start learning how to edit your video all by yourself. Let me take you to other side of the screen so that I will show you how you can learn the basic thing on editing and start editing your video all by yourself. You are welcome back to this side of the screen. So to edit your video properly, make sure you have any of the editing app. Like I'm using Power Director as my editing software for this program. So you can use either InShot or CapCut. So once I click on this Power Director, the interface is so lovely. As you can see, it has a beautiful interface for beginner friendly. You can easily understand every feature that is on this app. So to begin, first of all, this is a pro version that I'm using. It has free version. So the disadvantage of free version is that after editing your video, you will see Power Director watermark on your video. So but it's affordable though. The plan that I am is just 3,200 per month. So it's very affordable compared to 7,000 to 8,000, $10 for CapCut. So depending on their own platform, the one you like. So it's a preference. So I prefer this. So to begin with this, I will easily just come here and click on this new project. So I need to import my clips, the video that I've recorded. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm using this 1 and 2. Let me put this one 3. Then after that, I will click on next and import it to my Power Director editing software. So once we are here, as a beginner, the first thing you are going to do is to we cut out the part that you do not need on the video, or the part that you make mistake, or the part that you are working, you set your camera and walk into the camera. To do that, just scroll to your left side, scrolling and locate where when you start talking on the video. As you can see, this is the exact point that I start talking on this video. So what I need to do is to come to this edit button, click on this edit button, then it will give you option split and any other option, then select this split. Then after that, you click on these clips and come to this up and delete it because you do not need it. So the next thing you are going to do is to what? Scroll this thing to your left and go to the end part. Okay, since I've done this one already, and cut off the end part of this first clips. After that, you will go to the second clips. So the second clips will still have the beginning. You locate when you start talking again, like you did on the first clip. So to locate, yes, this is when I start talking. So I will come back to this edit, click on this edit, come to split this thing, then tap on it and go up. I love this app. See where the deleting button is, then you delete. So you've done with this one. So go to the ending when you are done talking on this clip, So go to the ending and locate when you stop talking and cut it up and cut it. Locate when you stop talking and cut it out. Let me see when I stop talking on these clips. You can see when I stop talking. So this is the place. So after that, you come to edit, you click on edit, you split, then you delete. So that one is done. You can go to the last clips. Let me say the last clip. I just added this one, but I don't have any. Okay, I just added this one just for the third clip. Let me just use this for as an example on this tutorial. So the last clip again, you do the same until you finish arranging all the clips together. Once you are done with that, the next thing we need to do here is to add a transition. A transition is just like you add a transition in between two clips, this first clip and the second clips. So you add a transition so that it will make it look as if you do not cut any part out of this video. So to do that, to locate where transition is, you come back again, you click on your edit, then you scroll to your left, then you look at this point. This is a transition. Just click on it, it will pop up. So we have various form of transition, so it depends on you. You can see it depends on the one you want to use. So we have a lot of them. So for the sake of this, let me use my usual one that I used to use. So once I come to this place, I will click on this flash. If I click on it and I will mark it good, it will appear. So I watch this video and see the difference. Once I play it, just watch
YouTube. As a new
you see, you will not notice that
as a new
there was a
content
part
creator,
or I cut out any part on this video.
as
So
a
that
new
is
content
what
creator or a
transition
new YouTuber,
used to
one
do
of the
on your
best
video.
way to
So on this other part, let me see on this. Okay, let me see for this first part. Okay, I've not added from here. So on this part, I want to add or show you another way you can easily locate your transition. You can easily click on the clips, it will pop up and you select. This time around, I'm going to select another form of transition. Let me use this glitch dissolve so that you will see the difference again. You can see. So once I play the video,
a lot of creators,
you will know that it's a joint video. So these are basically how you can add transition to your word, to your video. So to add text on this video is very easy. You need to add a text on your video, like if you want to emphasize on what you are saying. For example, now we are talking about editing. So if I want to add edit, you can see the text is boldly written here. You can click on it, then click on add text. Then after that, you wait for it to load. Just wait for it to load. From this place, we have template. You can select any template that you want. We have different type of template, but let me come to this default. Then let me select any one. So I prefer this. Let me just use this as an example.
lot of YouTubers,
It will show on the screen. So all I need to do here is to just come to this place and click on this edit text and insert what text that I want to appear on the screen. So I want edit to appear on the screen. I will write editing here. After that, then I will come to this place. I will come to this place and click on glued. So you can see it appear on the screen. I can use my hand to enlarge it, reduce it, or use my hand to drag it and put wherever I want it to be. So if I want to edit this text or I want to change the color of this text, I will easily come to this place. If I click on the text, I will come to this city place, click on it. It will give me an option. As you can see, I have different options here to change the color to hash, white, blue, or even red. So it depending on what I want. So if I want to bolding this text, I will come to this text, click on the text, then I can click on bold. I want the text to be bold. It will be bold. If at this place, I can easily increase the size of the text or reduce it. So it depends on me. Yeah, I can spread the character of the word. Then I can give space at the last one if I want it to be spacious. You understand? So it depends on what I want to do with the text. So on this possession, you know what possession already. You want it left, right, or at the middle. So middle is okay. But then look at the text. If I choose this white, it will change. It will reflect. So that will call border 1 and border 2. Border 1 and border 2. So it depends on you. So you can add shadow. Then you can add a backdrop. A backdrop is just like a background for the text. If you need it, you understand, you can add it. So depending on what you can see, so you come down here and select the shape you want the background to be. So it depends on you what you want. After that, you can come to this place. You can see front. You click on front. If I don't like this front, I can change it to any front I want. For example, let me use this front and see. If I click on this front, it will change. It will change. So if I come here and click on these two, it will the front setting will change. So this is animations. So animations, the mode or the form you want the video to appear on the screen. If I want it to draw from up, I will click one and it will remove the background. Let's see. If I click on it, it will remove the background.
Lot of YouTube,
so once I play, let me. Then I will come here and click on OK. So
a lot of YouTubers,
wait, I think come to this edit, then come to this animations, then let me use this. Let me and click OK. So once I play YouTubers, you see the form that to appear. That's what we call animations. So another thing we want to do here after this is to what? And remember that you can click on it and drag it to any position you want it to be. So another things that we need to do here is to what? Add our what? Adjustment and filter. You will see some video that will come out nice, beautiful, clear and sharp. You'll be asking what kind of camera did these people use? It's all in editing. That's why we must know how to edit your video. The next thing we need to do is to what? Add filter to this video. If we want it to come out in a colorful form. So to do this, we'll click on this edit, then we'll scroll left, then we'll see effect. You click on effect, you come up and click on filter. So here on filter, there are a lot of filters that you can use. There are a lot of filters that you can use. So depending on you. So let me go back. Let me go back to the video to this. So for me, I prefer using this. So if I click on this, you can see it will change automatically. So it's left for me to double click again and adjust it to the way I want. So it depends on you. I just adjust it to the way you want. Then you click on it. Then you click on OK. After that, you will look for what? Adjust. You click on this adjust to increase the brightness of the screen. You can increase it. Then you can click on contrast and add small. You can click on any of these and just be adding them small. Make sure that once you finish adjusting, make sure you click on this sharp to increase it. It's okay. Also make sure you increase your sharpness. It's very, very important. So after that, as you can see, we have almost done with that. So what we need to do now is to how to add pictures to our video. So to add picture to your video, or you want to add video overlay to your video, is very easy. Just come to this overlay, click on it. You come to picture, this picture you want to click, you click on it. If you have any picture you want to use, like let me use this Power Director logo. If I click on it, it will appear on my screen. So I will drag it to the side I want it to be, reduce the size, then move it up and down the way I want it to be. So there are things you can even work on it more, the way it appear and the rest. We'll get to that very soon. So, but if you are looking for, let's say you want to add YouTube logo or YouTube short dropping down again, so the thing, you will repeat the same thing again. Just come to this overlay. So this app, you click on the picture. This app has a stock image that you can use for Pizza Babe or Pixel. So this one is premium, so you select the one. This one is for free. You can use this without even, you can use any picture or any video clips on this place without even committing offense on YouTube. So let me search for YouTube logo, so you'll see what I mean. YouTube logo. Then you type. After tapping on it, you tap search. So it will bring out, you see, we have a lot of YouTube logo here. So anyone you want to use, let me say I want to use, let me pick anyone, just random one for example. Let me pick this particular one. So if I pick this particular, or let me pick this, then I click on it, I'll wait for it to download and it will automatically download on my listing. So after that, you cannot leave it like this with background. So what you need to do is to just, first of all, click on this, then you scroll and look for background. You click on background, then you come here and click on background remover. You see, it has automatically removed the background on this. So you can adjust this thing to anywhere you want it to be on your video or on your thumbnail. So it depending on you. These are basic things. These are the things you gain when you are using Power Director. So another thing that I want you to learn here is to learn how to remove noise. Let's assume this video have a background noise. To remove this, just come to this editing button, then you come to this audio tools, then you come to this denoise, you click on it. It will automatically remove the noise, but if you want to remove 100%, you click it to 100, then the noise on this video will remove automatically. So these are the benefits. These are what you gain when you are using Power Director. You can come to this place and increase the volume or mute the video. So mute any of them you want. So I believe you've enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like this video. Leave me a comment on the comment section. Lastly, do not forget to turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.